What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am sitting in a brand spanking new 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 ZR2. This is my first ZR2. This is the first one we're going to be putting a lift on. We are doing 26x14 KG1 forged Allure wheels. Super nice wheel with a 35-inch Fury tire. And we're going to be doing a 7-inch rough country lift kit. This is going to be a nice truck with minimal trimming. It's going to be super cool. We're going to be deleting the DSSV shocks, the Multimatic shocks that come on this truck, and we're going to be replacing it back with the rough country shocks. This is a definitely a choice by the customer to get this truck and change it up like this, but we're going to be the ones that do it for him, so I appreciate his business. Stay tuned for the process. Here's our beautiful truck. It's in that Summit White finish. You know I love Summit White. The gloss black accents on it. Everything on this truck says don't do chrome wheels, but I have seen these colors work with chrome before, so hopefully it's going to be a nice one. Stay tuned. We're about to get started on this truck right now. They're waiting on me to get this truck pulled in. It looks super cool though. Let's go over it real quick. It does come with a 35-inch factory tire. It comes with that Goodyear Wrangler all-terrain tire. And then it has, like I said, the Multimatic DSSV shocks that come on there from Chevrolet. Let me see if I can get a better view of the back one. Yeah. There's your Multimatic shock. Really nice shock, but we can only lift it like 4 inches and keep those shocks with the McGoy's kit, so we wanted to go a little bit taller. I'm about to get started right now. Stay tuned. It is the late afternoon on the first day of install for our ZR2 truck, and we are ready to go. Customers are about to head back, and I'm filming the truck right now. It turned out amazing. 26 by 14 KG1 forged wheels and polish will just about go on anything and look amazing. We did the 35 14 50 26 Fury MT2 tire with the 7-inch rough country lift. The truck looks great. I'm about to get out and show you what it looks like. Let me know what you think. The chrome wheels, the polished wheels, whatever you want to call it, look amazing on the truck. The black and white accents, I was thinking at first that it may not work out, but it worked out again. This looks really, really, really good. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let my customer know how he did. Going on over it real quick. Again, we did the 7-inch rough country lift kit. Like I said, it's a really good lift kit for the price. I sold a bunch of these kits way before I really got into all the other brands that I've been doing. It's a good, like I said, a good part for the price, and it does what it's supposed to do, and all the angles are okay, and it works out just good. The upper control arms right here are different because this is a ZR2 truck. They come up with a little beefier control arm, but it does fit the lift kit. The rough country shocks, we replaced those DSSV shocks with the rough country N3s that come in that kit. Rough country is a optional kit when it comes to the torsion drop or the non-torsion drop, so we did the non-torsion drop on this because we didn't want any interference with the shock fitment. The non-torsion drop has a different shock mount, so we didn't want to have any issues with that. Overall, the truck looks really, really good. The 26 by 14 KG1 Allure wheels look amazing. They really are nice wheels. 35 14 50 26 Fury MT2 tires pair up really, really nicely. They're nice and wide, and they give plenty of coverage for that wheel. The truck looks really good. Let me know what you think. Like I said, if you are interested in how much this costs, I'm putting a price right after this clip for you guys to see. If you want to price anything else, feel free to reach out. The number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake, and I'm here Monday through Friday. Thanks for watching, guys.